T8 CNC machine is really cool. It's a perfect introduction to CNC machining, and if you are a beginner, that's probably the best choice. I had it for quite long now. I use it for some of my projects, but right now for most of them it is too weak or too small. This machine can easily engrave on wood, plastic, PCBs and even soft metals. But the only thing that it can mill is soft wood. For me, that's not enough. I want to be able to mill aluminium, and this machine can't do that. Is there any solution? Well, I can spend a lot of money on a CNC machine, or I can build one myself. Guess what I will do? My initial idea was to create a huge CNC machine with proper spindle, NEMA 23 steppers and huge aluminium profiles. But I have never made something like this. I have never made a CNC machine, and a lot of parts would be really hard to make at home. I decided to start with something smaller. Still bigger than T8 CNC machine, but smaller than the CNC that I want to build in the future. I started looking for parts that I can use to make this machine, and I found my Dremel that I won a year ago thanks to my Ludwig drone project. I already have a one Dremel, so I will use this one as a spindle for a CNC machine. It is very easy to use, and I hope it will be powerful enough. It is also popular, so it will be easy for you to replicate my project and build a CNC machine. You can easily buy super cheap end mills for it from China. They are popular, cheap, so I think Dremel is the best choice for a small CNC machine. For the frame I decided to use those 20x20 aluminium profiles because they are super easy to buy here in Poland. They are also cheap, so I think that's the best choice. And here is the biggest anxiety about this project, at least for me. 3D printed parts. I'm really afraid that those wouldn't be strong enough and rigid enough for a CNC machine. But I already found a lot of CNC machines that use 3D printed parts and they work just fine, so hopefully it will be okay. And now let's take a look at my design. This is my CNC machine, everything designed in Fusion 360, all black parts are 3D printed. Everything is joined together so that you can move it around. I spent some time designing this thing. As you can see, that's version 29. I actually spent a lot of time on designing this thing, so I hope there shouldn't be any problems with assembling it and everything will work smoothly. There are also some parts that you have to buy, like rods and leading screws, also the electronics, that's obvious. I will put a list of parts with links in the description. You can also find their link to my design where you can see it, move around and take a closer look at specific parts. Speaking of parts, let's see what we need to build this machine. We will need aluminium profiles 20x20mm, 600mm long. We'll need 5 of them. You can use different length, but you would also need then longer rods and lead screws. Those profiles are quite cheap, so you can buy a little bit more, just in case. I decided to use 12mm rods instead of 8mm ones that are popular in cheap 3D printers. I hope it will make this machine more rigid. We will need about 2 meters of them. Make sure that they are high quality so that linear bearing will work smoothly. Those are standard 8mm trapezoidal lead screw with brass nut. Those two are 500mm long and those two are 300mm long. We have to cut one of these for the Z-axis. We will also need some smaller components like T-slot nuts, linear bearings for 12mm rod, M2, M3, M5 and M6 screws, 608 bearings, shaft that will connect motor and lead screw. That's all of the parts for the mechanic side of this project, and here are electronic components that we will need. Arduino Uno, CNC shield, 4 stepper motors, relay, limit switches, power supply, this one is 12 volt and 30 amps, switch for the power supply with connector, and some cables. And of course we will need a Dremel tool. We will also need some basic tools like a drill, soldering iron, screwdrivers, file, maybe some more. I hope I didn't forget any part for this project. If I did, I will update that in description. As you can see, I already started assembling the frame for this project, and in the next video we will finish the whole mechanic assembly. That video will be soon on my channel. That's it for the first part of DIY Dremel CNC. Thanks for watching, happy making, bye! Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were meant for me.
love with you.